and there was not a lot of rural urban migration.
Gotiari by the way.
I don't know mire icagi-ini muno. Tawatari ugira tau tani yeri. But I just take a quick example. Assume niye na kata tori agesa ikemwe. We each have 4 kids. No na ciana inya itirathomera rugongo. To generation itu ni athami.
Ni athami ni mire kore icagi-ini yuka.
Yes. Riu wakora riu cukuru cia rugongo ri. No muhaka inyihie namba.
Nima.
Because people move.
They move there.
Ugicoka ukia kindu to variety. Academy
sioka.
Tau gutire sagitari academy.
Gutire.
Yes.
Ya private schools.
Tende gutiari uhoro wa private schools ari wiyegori. Nie dio uhoro wa private school. Ate cukuru kwa jere kirogu ya mathikwe.
Sitawa cia meseti. Private school.
Kwa sio kiena academy. Yes.
Wekagira nguo, wekira blouse.
Yeah, na shuri ya bagi.
Gwitu na riri. Airetu ri.
Yes.
Shati ri. Igathumiro haha kiri guoko-ini.
Yes.
Ati matakira blouse theini. Karaini tu akumachithani.
Kiregu. Resi na yakoro either green or brown.
Or blue.
Or maroon.
Gwitu yari green na pink.
Yes. Gwitu rugongo rwa gwitu ri green yellow.
Na gwitu.
Green yellow.
Na kuokia muturia ngano mekagira u.
Yes. Even Kahuya girls, I think they still wear yellow and green. Kahuya Girls High School, I don't know whether they changed. But last time I checked, they had a yellow and green. Their signature. Leo cukuru ni cia ingihire rugongo.
Nima.
Na cio ciana ikinyia. Ithe roigona. Alafu now ginya we have to also see the challenge of uhoro wigie njohi. Ni affected muno population yake na rugongo.
Karagukura.
And it's a very disturbing thing. Tondu Anake akuma marika maitu athuri na Anake. Aria mabatiĩ kuona mĩciĩ. Most of them don't.
Imekuria joine sifago.
Yes. Wako ari wetu ituri mahika
kugi. Mama na gukuru.
You don't remember the time nathari ciagite ciana.
By the way, kokona ade akinyi ciana 10.
Yes. Azo tiagwa ni kiatu maciare uncontrollably. But even the few kids we are supposed to have, adu matiriama gya ni joy.
Ni joy by the way.
No those you are joy ni juga maita maigi anaga cokera. It is a serious pandemic
to our society.
And you know, and here I happen to be lucky near the Euro Kagafuru, you know, Mount Mamona, Rogo, Mogaide. You do not see them in other places. Weta kumurari.
Try molo.
Ni unasema ni Anake kumara kwira upatigire 50.
No.
Hakuna.
Did you?
No.
He Anake unasema ni kuma kwa turuteroko. You know, it is time ato gwetu ma benchmark mathiuruka.
Nema.
Uthiaga kwa mathai-ini, and this is authoritative. To ni ni githiuruka.
Ene thiagite.
Ukacemania na Anake mena tumithanju uguo. Merani
ya mathai Anakesha mathai.
Yes. Ukamuria habari yenyu. Salama sana mse. Kama sasa natafuta njia ya kuenda Maltauro. Sasa Maltauro mefotea kidogo nija utafanya namna hii. Utaenda hapa mbele. Utafika mahali iko soko kubwa. Na hii shule inaitwa Moi. Kwa shule ya Moi panda kabisa milimani. Ukifika milimani kuna vijana utakuta hapo watakuelezea njia. Barikiwa na kuenda salama. Nothing.
Ukamwona huyo ugi.
Yerogogo. And you know it's an alcohol thing. Yerogogo. Leke gokinyeho.
Ya gokinyeho.
Wage to tigati ya munene.
No gikombe okuruta.
Niyo giatoruta roko. It is a very bad problem. Serious problem.
Ona kuginya tikuho ona dukoragwo nginyo hoete njira. Actually waingira tu parking. Watu wakuma akorage to tigogo. Na naguo mwageire mabesa ngai urage to tigati we.
Kogo athigeca gire.
It's a bad attitude. It is bad. And our leadership room watiaragiririo horo. Rigathi Gachagua had that in his really deputy president. Yeah, no cio muno.
Wako na njohi.
Orocio wanagerio horo wa Kasoba. Iria Waititu. There was the rehabilitation ya Mwagi wa Iria.
Mututhwa no kakunyanyia maundu macio.
No docio ndorwa gona guo.
We serious
exhaustively.
Na nonekaga to uhura naguo wambie kugia miri.
Yes.
Koneka aria matongoretie bare yo kona ta marao kirirwo niguo ringi bare yo ndigakigie ndigacike ndwire mwana bataraga kuneana the initiative kuria andu wakambiriria initiative ithu twita Kenya tukamenya but tungega mundu ya trailblaze undu ucio utikuoneka mundu wago utindika the.
You see, the unfortunate thing is gutire mbeca cionekanaga na kuhurana na njo
gutire
gutire mbeca na region nekinyete handru yu controlagwo ni mbia our agendas are money
interest
na nikionaga let me give an example mwisho-ini wa mwaka ni uko na irua ria mwana wake
wa kahi
nirigucanagirio muno and I will always say this irua ria mwana wa kahi nirigucanagirio muno ni kanitha na
thuri unduire witu
na it is a lot of money involved hari irua ria mwana wake
niko na mbeca
a lot of money no rucio nimagucaniria twende gukinya handu tuone kanitha na thuri mararwirira kurwa no horo wa njohi iri ranyo ni Anake
the same case maruagira irua
same way they look for fans tondu hau ni kwirutira riu tondu riu taru rehab is not cheap
by the way ni bia
it's very expensive
rehab
some of us have experiences the cheap riu mugutangigia trailblazing leaders akuona this is a problem eto tekomba kurondo cio ucoka kurehe mbeca iriku tondu kurwa na njohi gutigutongia mundu
nima guti mundu watongona umwe
ndigwiciria thirikari ni ruta mbeca cia kurwa na njohi ni uhoro riu witu as a community tuikare thi
tucokanirire
compare na Anake akuria kungi marathoma makagia micii bagatua ciari yao
mabiacara mao
ni na njohi ici kwi kundu thia na nducionaga
nima why whether drone Anake
if we don't see it as a problem then we also are a problem
reketwa ni mugai reketwa ni wabui wa icugu yani kana ni dikani gatundu kana ko dikauge ngoro ni ndahitia mutumia caraugaga mwana wake ararutaga wira wega fiu no raugire mwana wake aenda pire gukua ati akero ni ugukua njohi oranywa ni ugukua ndarenda kuigwa tondu I think it has something arakuire au ati ahaire ogwa kero riu ni iniria uma agicoka agikwa like the ginya ndoito it's like the fear of death is gone so they will drink to and it's unfortunate na manya docio ni moikaine no ukoneka it's like our administration dirarwa now
odo ciori wina ginya keha muno. And I think it is also time with you professionals to ajike to get our mentorship programs. Or maybe you see deal na mare review already. Now that is another issue altogether. No generation thutha wa yari.
Massive.
Yuga gate mwanake au miroguo aya gatuthi na ikiaga cuba muko wa thutha na mira muko wa mbere ucio ni role model. We are supposed to demystify that. Tondu turi professionals anene muno arugongo.
Aingi muno
ni twatigire gucokaga the time ndona gogu ukona mundu ni professional ni acokaga rugongo akamera atiriri I am the billionaire muigua uhoro waku ni mundu atande murefi ni mundu ndina kanuthu
ukamotivate kwa challenge
ndina kindu ikai because if we do not excite their imagination mari exciteagwo ni ke
ni amahudira
makona mwanake ucio ru ni
kimonda no raiga itura rajo
ni kanuthu na mukihi
no rahura andu kure
na ni agwo gatuthi ni mama
no guthi
we must up the game of their mentorship mone maundu manene especially the generation that were in high school
na how did it genere na yuta society ri tunyitanirire tikurekereria ati wona mwana wa mundu fulani anywa njohi na uramu amukiri makire kumutigatiria athina mbere kunywa njohi iyo yani roho waki no hunaguo thi
ithio no aria tugaga atiri aya menda kumulilo
kimzinga kimwe
cheap alcohol has become a way of ithuere upwardly mobile could dismiss ni aragiana muno
amunengere muzinga ucio athi
wa muneigana ni uguo
ndikomwona ringi
it's very concerning and you know the unfortunate thing ni that almost all families ni mari mundu
gutire
gutigiaga man mudurume
it's a man
na thubura family iyo na haro na kila kitu
so it you do whether it is a pandemic
ikuo ni undu onekana maitho
na tugiako gitondu ucio ri we are some to tukiamba oko one time two time and our house is not in order
ni bangukanu gutie kwa kwagireire
yes
thaa 10 gatiga ndagika 14 mitambo ni ya kameme kau ka muingi